Located on 7750 East Spring Street, the El Dorado Nature Center is a 105-acre natural habitat that allows visitors to explore nature and escape the city's hustle and bustle. Established in 1969, the Nature Center has 2 miles of dirt trails, a quarter-mile paved trail around 2 lakes, a stream, and forested areas that are home to birds, turtles, and fish. The El Dorado Nature Center also contains a visitor center containing educational displays, an art gallery, and a small gift shop with plenty of environmentally themed books and gifts for all. The Nature Center trails are open Tuesdays through Sunday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. There is no fee to enter the center, but there is a vehicle entrance fee to park with rates ranging from $6 weekdays, $7 Fridays, $8 weekends, and $9 holiday fees when applicable. For more information on all parks located in Long Beach, please visit longbeach.gov/park.